Oh, muntik na kitang di makilala dyan sa mukha mo. Para kang nakagat ng bubuyog ah. Ginagago mo ba ako, pare? Kita mo nang nagulpi na nga yung tao eh. May gana ka pang biruin akong nakagat ako ng bubuyog. Bakit nalilitan ka ba sa akin? Oo nga naman, pare. Kita mo nang namagamok ka eh. Ayusin mo tanong mo. Oh, sige. Totoo ba yung sinabi ng trainer mo na natay ka daw sa salwal mo? Di naman. Sobra naman yun. Grabe naman yun. Di naman ako natay sa salwal ko. Inaamin ko, naihi ako pero natay. Kahit tingnan niyo brief ko. Ano ba naman yung tanong mo? Sobra naman yan. Ayusin mo, ayusin mo. Ikaw, Robert, ikaw tong nagsabi na natay itong si Margarito. Ba't mo naman sinisiraan tong bata mo? Di naman pala siya natay, naihilang daw. Sinungaling ka, gago ka. Wala akong sinabi na natay siya sa salwal. Tayo dyan.
Because he drops Pacquiao. Manny's knocked down by overhand right hand. Face canvas in there. Trilogy of face get knocked down. That's enough.
This is the one thing everybody has been waiting to see.
Well, if we did in the first 3 times. Look at these guys loading up shots. Bell in the third round.
Reverting back to the counter puncher.
Big legs to begin. Marquez. Punching. And he able to avoid that. I took in the first couple rounds of being a bit.
Might send Marquez to the canvas. Jab a minute ago that moved Manny. There's at the end of a round. Which guy would I want to beat?
He walked in another right-handed Manny. And go. Actually, his punch. Oh, he's a knockdown. It's a right left hook. So down goes Marquez. 7. That straight left hand by
Weak. This was going to be a war.
So, even though it was, straight kill. But he may be. He doesn't run, he fires back. Those are no part of it as he loads up.
You've got to be.
In the 5th round, the last round.
And ultimately took something out of Marquez. This comes from.